everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to update Commerzbank mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, you have to open App Store on your device. Then tap on the search icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here on the search bar, search for Commerzbank. Then find the app labeled with Commerzbank Banking and go through it. Here, if it says update instead of open, that means your application needs to get updated. Simply tap on the update button, then it will take some time and your application will be updated to the latest version. Here, in my case, you can see open button. That means I'm using the latest version of this application. In this way, you can easily update your application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.